No.
Mia.
Jack, you shut up.
I
Everybody
asked
shut
you
up.
to look at Jesse, Mia.
No.
Okay, fine then.
Most popular video on YouTube.
Hey, get out of here!
Yeah.
Stop! You guys are jerks.
Baby.
No. Baby. Baby.
You know what? I'm
Baby.
just, hey, I'm gonna lay down in that bed, cause I'm getting in trouble for nothing. Thanks, Jesse.
Hey.
You kicked me out of there, and then you say I'm going back in there. Jerk.
Making no sense, woman.
You're making no sense. All you have to do is come over here to the couch.
All you had to do was hold me.
You have to come here and say sorry.
I didn't do nothing.
You laughed. Johnny!
Oh, Mia.
They're mean. Mean. What? See, I hurt my foot.
Why are you screaming, Mom?
Cause Johnny's mean.
Mom,
What?
turn around.
No. Get off my face.
Why are you mean, Mom?
You're not winning. I'm just gonna wait for Jesse. Jesse won't stop recording me, so that's why I'm here. I'm not here for you.
See, I brought it back.
You just ruined it.
She's still going.
Dum dum.
She's still going. I'm a dum-dum.
Jesse, get out of here.
I'm a dum-dum.
Big dum dum.
Her birthday dum-dum.
Birthday soup boy.
Give me a hug, baby.
No, you have to give me a hug. I came in here. You hug me.
I want a hug, baby.
Oh my God, if you don't hug me now, it's going to be very, very, very bad for you, Johnny. I'm warning you. Stop! Stop messed up. Follow
There.
me.
There.
See, that's better.
All that for that.